Good morning children, have a nice day. Welcome to social class, standard 9th, geography, unit 5, biosphere. Today discuss the topic biomass. So biomass, a biomass is a geographically extensive ecosystem. Geographically extensive ecosystem. Where all flora and fauna are found collectively. It is a total assemblage of the plant and animal, the life interacting with the biosphere. Biospheres are defined as abiotic factor like relief, climate, soil and vegetation. They are classified two categories. Two categories. One is on the celestial biomass and another one is on the aquatic biomass. Next, discuss the topic terrestrial biomass. Next, discuss the topic terrestrial biomass. What is terrestrial biomass? Terrestrial biomass is a group of living organisms. It's a group of living organisms that live and interact with one another on land. They are mainly determined by temperature and rainfall. Some of the major celestial biomass the world are tropical forest biomass, tropical savanna biomass, desert biomass, temperate grassland biomass, tundra biomass. Let us discuss that topic. Next, discuss the topic tropical forest biomass. The tropical forest biome is comprised of several sub-biomes, including evergreen rainforest, seasonal deciduous forest, etc. Tropical forests have the highest biodiversity and primary productivity of any of the terrestrial biomes. The Amazon Basin, Congo Basin, and the Indonesian islands are the major regions of this biome. These regions have very dense forests and so have the great economic importance. The human settlements are found scattered here. They sustain their livelihood through food gathering, fishing, lumbering, and shifting cultivation. Due to the humid nature of this biome, the people get afflicted to tropical diseases like malaria, yellow fever, etc. The chief trees found here are rubber, bamboo, ebony, etc. Bats, jaguars, pigeons, elephants, monkeys, etc. are the important bats and animals found here. Do you know the US National Cancer Institute has identified about 70% of the plants used for treating cancer, which are found only in rainforests. Example, Lapacho. Next, discuss the topic tropical savanna. Savanna, that means grasslands biomass. Tropical grasslands are generally found between tropical forests and deserts. Tropical savanna biomass are found between 10 degree to 20 degree north and south latitudes. These grasslands are generally flat and are found in the Sahel south of Sahara in East Africa and in Australia. This biome is generally hot and dry and experience more moderate to low rainfall. So the grass which grow here are tall and sharp. Hence the chief occupation of the people found here is herding. The primitive people living here are nomadic. The common animal found here are the lion, leopard, tiger, deer, zebra, giraffe, etc. Flora such as Rhodes grasses, redwoods grass, the lemon grass, etc. are found in this biome. Do you know the of late part of savanna grassland are being converted into farmlands, which pose here the great threat to the wide range of fauna. For example, the population of the big cats like cheetah, lion, etc. are the wilding drastically. Desert biomes. Deserts are usually found on the western margins of the continents between 20° and 30° north and south latitudes. The annual rainfall is less than 20 cm in these regions. Due to the lack of rainfall and arid condition, these regions do not possess any vegetation but have the special vegetation type that is called the Gerophytes. As the soil is sandy and slime desert, they remain agriculturally unproductive. The drought resistant thorny scrub and the bushes plums are found here. Tribal people who have lived here practice food gathering and hunting. They move their temporary settlements frequently in search of the pastures. Transportation becomes very difficult here and it's carried on by camels. Reptiles like snakes, lizards, scorpions, etc. are the most commonly found here. Do you know? And the Oasis is a fertile fresh water found in desert and semi-arid region. The oases are fed by the spring. The crops is like date, plums, figs, citrus fruits, maize, etc. are cultivated near these oases. Temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands are usually found in the interior of the continents or characterized by the large seasonal temperature variations with warm summer and cold winter. The type of the grassland in these regions strongly depends upon precipitation. Higher precipitation leads to tall and soft grass and lower precipitation leads to short and soft grass. These regions favor wheat cultivation. Extensive mechanized agriculture is practiced due to lack of farm labor. The pastoral industries becomes the main occupation, thereby facilitating the slaughtering of animals, packing of raw and processed meat, dairy product, etc. The common birds and animals are the grasshopper, wolf, bison, pyris, dog, etc. Do you know? The temperate grasslands are called differently in different parts of the world. Pyris, North America, the steppes is Eurasia, Pampas, Argentina and Uruguay, the wild South Africa, Downs, Australia, Canterbury, New Zealand and Manchurian, China. Thank you.